up, family? How are you doing? It's your girl back again. Karibu sana to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, a returning gang, a returning fam, karibu sana. And if you are joining us, if you just happen to click this video, welcome back to my channel. Okay, welcome to my channel. This is a channel where we make various African delicacies at a budget-friendly account. And on today's recipe, guys, we are making peanut in vegetables. You get. Thank you so much for your continued support. So let's introduce our ingredients. So with me here I have Kienyeji vegetables. Over here I have some finely chopped onions. Then I have chopped my tomatoes. I have salt. Then we are making peanut in vegetables. So we are going to use this peanut. It's smooth. It's not the crunchy one. Then I'll be using curry powder as my only spice. So right away, let's do this. So guys, in a spray, you're going to add in your cooking oil like that. Then we are going to add our onions. And cook your onions to your desired liking. And my onions look good. The next step, I am going to add in my tomatoes. So we're just going to give these tomatoes some time to cook and continue. So I have worked so well on my crust. Looks amazing. So we are going to come in with salt, pinch of salt. Then I'm going to add in curry powder. There you go. And just give it a nice mix. And add in some water because it's sticking. Like that. The next thing, we are going to add in our vegetables. Add them in. I have used Kienyeji vegetables, but you can even use spinach or kales, sukuma wiki. Nice. So let's add in our peanut. This is 1 handful, tablespoon of peanut. Wow, this is going to be nice, guys. Look at that. Wow. So let's add in water just for it to cook nicely. So after you add in your water, you just give it around 6 to 8 minutes and it's going to be nice. Wow, look at that. And so guys, my vegetables is ready. Look at how creamy it is. Yani here you don't even need meat, you don't need any stew, you're good to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna serve it and we're done.